to have my mom record. So my mom is not good with technology. So if she records half my face, I'm so sorry. Let's get it.
Man, you are Joe. Father will put me to shame. My God intervene. No. With people who move me forget.
But hi, so today I will be teaching you guys how to make fried plantains and fried eggs, the Cameroonian style. Like it's gonna be fantastic. You're gonna love it. Okay, so one thing, do not worry if yours does not turn out like mine, because everybody has their own different type of taste, their own different type of flavor, what they would like their plantains to look like. So just, freestyle. So before cooking, I like to have everything all set up. So we have the knife you're going to need to cut the plantains. We have the plantains, we have the oil, and then we have the frying pan, but you can use a pot, whatever works for you. And for the eggs, we have salt, we have Maggi cubes, and onion, and tomatoes. You can put as much as you want, but I like an even balance with both. What we're going to do first is we're going to peel the plantains, because you can't cook it with the skin. It's just going to taste weird. But so what I like to do is you just cut off the top, cut off the bottom, and then you just put a slit right down the middle, and then you just peel it off. And then it's gonna look something like this. And I'll do the same for the other one. So cut off the top, cut off the bottom, put a slit in the middle, and then peel it off. Alright, the next thing we do is we cut the plantains. So what I like to do is I like to slice them like so. So it will look something like this, as you can see. And then when you come close, take a picture of it. Yeah. And then, as you can see, it will look like this. So what you do is you go from the top, and then you make your way down. Top, down. And you do the same for this one. Oops. Do the same for that one. And this one. And I'm going to copy. Do it here as well. You can make them long or short, whatever you think looks good for you. I like mine to be super long. Alright, this is a very long one, as you can see. Before we start frying, what you want to do is you want to preheat the oil. So you just pour the oil in whatever pot you're using to fry in. You don't want to make the oil too much, because it will splash on you, but you don't want to make it too little, or the plantains will stick to the pot. So make it just like that. As you can see there. And then you can let it sit there for about 3 minutes on high, and then that's when you can put the plantains. As the oil is boiling, what you want to do is put a little bit of salt on the plantains to give it that sweet and salty kind of flavor. But you don't want to put too much salt, because then you'll just be too salty and won't taste as good. Okay. Okay, as you can hear from the frying pan, a little bit of water got in the hot oil, so that's why it's making all that noise. But this is the dangerous part. You might want to step away, because if your oil is too hot, that would be unfortunate. So you just stand far and just put it in one by one. You don't want to put all of them at once or they'll stick to each other and it'll be kind of hard to turn. So you can come close. Let me put the light on. So if you come close, as you can see, it's frying. There's only a few in there because I don't like them when they stick to each other. As you can see, it is brown on the back side. So what you do is you turn it like so. Oops. Try to get it even. As you can see, it's ready. So I'm just going to put it in this thing where it takes out all the oil. As you can see in there. And then I'm going to put the second batch inside and do the same thing over. Probably get started on the eggs. So what we're going to do first is we're going to cut the onions. So I like to cut them in half, like so, and then just slice them. It might get in your eyes, but that's the process of cooking. It's painful, but in the end the food is good. So start here, just continue doing that. And the onions are all done. They should look like so. That's it. Okay, so just to let you know, all the vegetables have been washed already before I started the video.
If you must go, nobody care, nobody care. If you marry motor driver, or if you marry taxi driver.
Now we are going to put everything in here into the frying pan. So now I'm just going to turn up the heat a little more, just so this fries quickly. I'm gonna stir this for also about 5 minutes on medium hot high heat. So now we are going to work on the eggs while the onion and the tomato are in the frying pan. So we're gonna need about 2 eggs. You can put as much as you want. It depends how many people you're cooking for. This is only for me, so just 2 eggs would be enough. Crack it, you put it in there. Crack the other one. And put it in there. And then this this is when you add any type of seasoning that you want. So I like to use Maggi cubes. As you can see, I use about this much of it. I won't put too much. Alright. And a tiny bit of salt. About this much. Should be good. Put that in there. And then beat the eggs. Mix all those two seasonings in there. As you can see, it's almost evenly matched now. Alright, that's about it for the eggs. Right, so it would look a little something like this. And then pour the eggs in. I know it looks burned, but trust me, it's gonna be okay. Just keep turning. Scrambling things. Just keep turning it. Yeah. Turn. What the final product will look like, and that is your typical Cameroonian breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Right there.